Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. I've been asked to have a look at this boiler which many engineers out there don't like working on. Yep, you guessed it, Ferroli. Hot water is working, but heating isn't. So the thing is, right, the hot water is working like I said before, and the heating isn't. And I was just fiddling around with it, but it just fired up on central heating. And I think I was fiddling around with those two wires. I don't think it's related to the issue. I just timing. So I was fiddling around at the time and it just fired up. I've also looped the clock on it, just to say, just to eliminate the clock. So the plan on this one is it's a very old boiler. If anything like a circuit board is gone on it, the pump's gone on it, the gas valve or the fan, then I'm just going to recommend change your boiler. But if it's something minor, then I'm just going to repair it for them, and then in the summertime they just can change anyway. And it's one thing we're good at anyway, repairs. Right, after fiddling around with it, I wasn't making any progress. I decided to swap the thermistors around. No, well, not swap the thermistors, but swap the wires around. And once I swapped the wires around, the boiler fired up. So I thought, okay, the hot water was working fine beforehand anyway. So it's just got to be the thermistor. So the conclusion was the thermistor was faulty on it. Now I had a packet of thermistors, and I tried them out on a dry pocket, right, basically just hanging on the side, connect the wires on it, and it didn't fire up, didn't do anything. So I thought, okay, I gotta go and get a specific one for this boiler. And I went to a local shop and got a Ferroli one. Very expensive, guys, very expensive. Normal thermistor is about £3-4, but this one was really expensive. So anyway, took the old one out and put the new one out and just carry on with watching film and enjoy it and see what happens at the end. And I know the thermistor's got a rubber washer on it, but I'm just going to put some PTFE tape on the threading just in case, guys. I don't feel like draining it down again. So I'm just going to put a layer of PTFE tape on the threading. Damn, look at the state of it. This is the old thermistor. It's all black. So the system is completely dirty in this. Now let's see what happens when I put the new thermistor in and it fires up. Hopefully no issues. Right, that's safely in, secured, and now it's time to fill up the system. Now as you can see, I'm filling it up right in a controlled manner. I'm not completely opening it, just slightly open, so I don't put too much in. But guess what? I still screw up. I would like to have it at 1.1, but I've taken it to 1.5. Oh well, gonna have to stick with that now. Now I'm not gonna go to the radiator and drain some water out, because you ain't seen the straight of the radiators. Once you open them, boy, you ain't closing them. Right guys, I'm just doing the connection for the thermistor wiring. I'm just going to connect the wire onto it. Now, I'm just editing the film and I just thought, what if I got the wires mixed up? What if when I got to the boiler and the wires were wrong way around. So just curiosity. So I downloaded manufacturer's instructions, and according to that, the wires are for the domestic hot water, and the blue ones for the central heating. So that's just a bit of a relief for me. So if you look carefully, I got the red wire connected to the domestic hot water thermistor. So the blue one's got to be for the central heating. And if you look into the diagram on the manufacturing instructions, the left two wires on the plug on the circuit board are blue, so they are for the central heating. Right guys, time to test it out, see if I diagnosed it correctly. Right, let's put the demand on. Hey, I could hear something, pumps running. I think I got it sorted. And it's fired up on central heating. Way. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, just gonna give it 2 minutes and watch that. Right guys, thermistor was gone on this. We diagnosed it, and thankfully it was correct diagnosis on it. So it's all working fine, the central heating is working, hot water is also working. I'm gonna test the hot water anyway, but I'm sure it's working. I didn't tamper with that. So that's it, that should be fine. Till next time, Birmingham boiler fix. Right guys, just sorted that Ferroli out. All it was is a thermistor, but sometimes, right, even the smaller minor things, right, trick you. But it was sorted. Diagnosed it yesterday. Today I got some thermistors and I fitted it in. I had a pack of thermistors and I was trying them out and they wouldn't work. So I think the pack I've got is probably faulty. I'm gonna go home and get my multimeter and check the resistance on them. But anyway, for now, this Ferroli is sorted. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.